So let's talk about Outputs.tf. This file defines the output parameters. Resources created as part of the execution will generate these output parameters. This is similar to the output parameters specified in a resource orchestration service ROS template. For example, the template will deploy an RDS instance. The following output parameter provides the value of the connection string that will be required to connect to the database. And a format you can see on the screen right now. Variable.tf. This file contains the variable that can be passed to main.tf and helps you customize the environment. And this is an example of the same. Step 3 is run Terraform scripts. To run scripts, you must first go to the directory where the ACS terraform.zip file is extracted, that is /user/local/terraform. You can use the following Terraform commands to run scripts and create container services cluster. Run Terraform init to initialize the environment, as you can see on the screen. Run Terraform provider to list the installed providers. Before running Terraform plan, you must first pass the access key ID and access key secret for authorizations. As you can see on the screen, run Terraform plan to create an execution plan and help you understand the resources that will be created or changed. Now, as visible on the screen, an execution plan has been generated above, which you can see, and resource actions about the performance of the following action. After confirming the resources are created or updated as expected, run the Terraform apply command to start the execution of the Terraform module. An execution plan has been generated as shown below. And after running the Terraform apply command, the output parameters requested in the outputs.tf are displayed. So in the following example, the output parameters are cs_cluster cluster name, connection string RDS, con_port, RDS_db name, and RDS_db account name. The output values can be listed at any time by running the Terraform output command to help you configure the WordPress application. And this is, as you can see on the screen. You can view the cluster created by using Terraform in the container service console. Now, the screenshot of the same is in the screen right now. You can view the cluster information, node information, logs, and container information. Okay, moving on to step number 4, which is to deploy a WordPress application in container service. The first point here is log on to the container service console. Click application in the left side navigation pane under SWAM. Select the cluster, WP-cluster in this example. And select the cluster created in the preceding step from the cluster list. Then click create application in the upper right corner. Select WordPress, the Docker official image as the image name. Then configure the web routing for this application and click create. As you can see on the screen now, the WordPress application is displayed on the application list page after being successfully created. And finally, click the application name and then click the routes tab to obtain the route address. Now access the WordPress welcome page and select the language and then click continue. as you can see on the screen. Enter the following detailed information according to the Terraform output parameter and then click Submit. After the submission, if the entered values are correct, you can go to the next configuration step to run the installation. When encountering an error, you must access the RDS database by setting the whitelist. It's visible on the screen. And now finally enter the site title and the username and password of the administrator. Click Install WordPress. So after the installation, click Login, enter the username and password of the administrator, and then click Login on the WordPress logon page to log on to the WordPress application. Okay, so with this, I'm taking a pause. I think we are done with this best practices set of lectures, wherein we have covered about the Alibaba Cloud. Thank you very much.